Hi, I know you have been feeling it lately, haven't you? That subtle ache in your chest when someone has not reached out. That quiet whisper, do they even notice? I'm gone. Here's the truth, my friend. Which the cards wants you to hear. Yes, they miss you. They feel your absence, even if they don't say. But this reading is not about them. It's about your energy, your worth, and the emotional clarity you deserve. This is a timeless collective reading, meaning it's for anyone who resonates, no matter when you find it. It's about the energy surrounding you, the feelings that linger, the shifts that are happening invisibly right now. Even when someone does not reach out, the energy remains. Okay? What I'm seeing is someone is thinking of you with a soft, tender heart. They notice little things, your laughter, your energy. Even if they don't say, the thought of you lingers in quiet moments. Emotions are moving, but perhaps they are hesitant to act. They may feel nervous or unsure, afraid of doing the wrong thing. Yet, the desire to reconnect is very, very real. And you know what? In the near future, the joy, the warmth, and clarity are coming. And the energy surrounding you is not stagnant. There's a light breaking through, a recognition of your presence and impact. I know others celebrate you, even from a distance. That kind of quality you have. Your influence is noticed by your friends, family, or loved ones. Even if they don't voice it directly, I'm seeing some sort of message, action coming from them, or signs. Yes, very quickly. And this could be through words, gestures, or even shifts in energy that make you feel someone is thinking about you. And you know what? There's a quiet knowing. Some things are not meant to be spoken yet. But intuition, gut feelings, and subtle signs are guiding both sides towards understanding you and your partner. Yes, my dear, they miss you, and the energy of missing you is not passive. It's active, moving, shifting, and it's being noticed. Okay? So, what you must do right now? So, my dear, nurture yourself. Your value is not defined by whether someone reaches out. Flourish in your own love, joy, and abundance. Start doing something which you loved. A new opportunity for emotional clarity or reconnection is coming. That is on the cards energy. It may appear very likely, but it will create tangible change if you recognize it. Okay? Balance your heart and mind. Observe feelings without attachment or expectations. Healing and clarity come when you honor both your emotions and your logic. The message here is not to chase, it's to align with your energy, feel your worth, and notice the signs universe is sending. So yes, they miss you, they notice your absence, but the universe wants you to know your worth is not measured by one who reaches out. Energy flows, feelings exist, and what is meant to come back to you will. So yes, clarity, subtle signs, and opportunities for connections are coming, not as a matter of luck, but as a natural movement of energy. Trust the timing, trust your heart, and step into the love and acknowledgement that you have always deserved. Okay? See you in the next reading. Take care. Bye for now.